government has issued a severe anomaly warning for the following counties: Watson County, Waynesboro County, Millard County, North Salmon County, Piston County. At 9:15 p.m. several radars picked up unusual activity north of Danford and is expanding northeastward. Spotters reported hearing noises and seeing an entity that was described as a glowing worm at 9:13 p.m. Please take precautions including turning all your lights off, stay indoors, stay away from doors, stay away from windows, turn off electronics especially microwaves, prevent yourself from being seen by hiding, and be extremely quiet.